Skinny with Fly Time RC. We're going to do another flight with the little blue timber that I built a while back. I haven't flown this thing in a couple weeks. I've had some other planes that I've built and flown, so we're gonna fly this thing some more. This one I've had around for a little while, and I'm gonna try to keep it that way by not crashing it. So today we're gonna do a little acrobatics. I'm still learning how to do some kind of I guess you could call it some 3D flying, but I'm still kind of a beginner when it comes to that. But we're going to do some upside down flying, some flips and rolls, and just have fun with this little thing. Let's get it up in the air. It flies really good, it handles good. We get about 5 minutes or so flight time. I've never really tried to I've got 3 batteries for it, so we have plenty of time to have some fun. Let's do a couple rolls here. Let's go ahead and give it a little bit more throttle and roll into some upside down fun. This thing it flies upside down amazing. It barely takes down elevators. Yeah, it's a little windy today. You can kind of tell the plane does get pushed down a little bit once we get a little higher elevation. Let's go ahead and roll back upside down. We'll do one of my favorite things is this inverted roll. Oh, there we go. Let's get it inverted again. Oh yeah. Did a little hover there for a second. So get it inverted and then power out of it. Oh yeah. That's one of my favorite things to do. This plane just does really well. With this 5x4 prop that I kind of made fit on here, it does really good. It has a little bit more thrust than the stock UMX Turbo Timber 3-blade. And it draws, I think it actually draws the same or a little bit less amperage, which is nice. You can see this thing very responsive. I love flying this thing inverted. It just does so good. This thing's so much fun to fly. It's been a couple weeks since I've flown it, and I kind of forgot how much I really enjoy this little plane. Let's see if I can do a little flyby a little closer to us. Oh, flying upside down directly into the ground. Let's get it back up in the air. I think I needed a little bit more throttle when I was going upside down there. Let's try that again. Okay, there we go. What I want to try to do is try to do a flyby upside down. Let's see if I can slow it down a little bit. I'm going to roll it back over. Okay, let's try that again. I'm trying to do a kind of a slower inverted flyby. That was a little bit better. I like to get it a little lower. We'll just do a slow flyby here. We're doing good. So we got about a minute left. I'm gonna have to start thinking about landing it here in a second. I just love this thing. It's so much fun. Alright, I'm going to bring it around and see if we can't land it. Land it in the road over here. They're slowing it down a little bit, burning off some energy. Look at that.
Nice.
Not perfect, but it'll do. Let's throw another battery in it and have some more fun. You can end it there if you want.